Hurricane SA, submersible motor control boxes. Hurricane SA has a wide range of control boxes to meet your specific installation requirements and your budget. From 3-inch standard manual control box, 220-volt single phase. 3-inch automatic control box, 220-volt single phase. 4-inch standard manual control box, 220-volt single phase. 4-inch advanced protection manual control box, 220-volt single phase. 4-inch automatic control box, 220-volt single phase. 4-inch manual control box, 380-volt 3-phase. 4-inch advanced protection manual control box, 380-volt 3-phase. 4-inch automatic control box, 380-volt 3-phase. And finally, 6-inch automatic control box, 380-volt 3-phase. Let's talk about these control boxes and how to select the best control box for your specific application. Knowing the diameter and voltage of the motor you will be using will narrow the selection. You will match the diameter of the motor, for example 3-inch, 4-inch, or 6-inch, and the voltage either 220 volts or 380 volts with the matching voltage and diameter of the control box. And obviously you will need to match the kilowatt of your control box to the kilowatt of the submersible motor you are using. With 3-inch 220-volt pumps, you have a choice between a 3-inch standard manual control box or a 3-inch automatic control box. Both are only available in 220-volt single phase. With 4-inch 220-volt motors, you have a choice between a 4-inch standard manual control box, a 4-inch advanced protection manual control box, and a 4-inch automatic control box. With 4-inch 380-volt 3-phase motors, you have a choice between a 4-inch standard manual control box, 4-inch advanced protection manual control box, and a 4-inch automatic control box. With 6-inch 380-volt 3-phase motors, only 6-inch automatic control boxes are available. The next determining factor will be whether your borehole is able to deliver an abundant supply of water. If your borehole has been tested and is able to deliver at least 25% more water that your pump is able to deliver, then you can also use either the standard manual control box, the advanced protection control box, or the automatic control box. If your borehole has not been tested, or if it's only able to deliver 2,000 liters per hour or less, then we strongly recommend either the advanced protection control box or the automatic control box because they both have dry run protection. Finally, if you plan to use a float switch in your water tank so that the borehole pump automatically switches on when the tank reaches a certain water level and then automatically switches off when full, we again recommend the automatic control box because it has a special connection for a float switch that can run longer distances. Although a float switch can also be wired into a standard controller that is 0.75 kilowatts or less, and the tank is 10 meters or less from the control box. If you know you will be using the control box manually and budget is your main concern, then you can use a standard manual control box, keeping in mind it has less protection than the automatic control box.